In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add the Notes widget to your iPhone home screen. This offers quick access to important information, enhancing productivity by allowing users to view or create notes instantly without opening the app. To do this, simply long hold onto any free space on your screen. Tap on the Edit button on your upper left corner of the screen. You will want to select on Add Widget. Select on the Notes app and choose how you want your widget to appear on your screen. There are various styles and categories. Tap on any to successfully get added to your home screen. This helps in keeping tasks, reminders, or ideas at the forefront, hence promoting better focus and organization. That's how easy it is to add the Notes widget to your iPhone home screen. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.